Let's see the difference between short vowel sound E and long vowel sound I with some examples. Eat, fit. Him. Did. Pig. Lip. Now we will discuss long vowel sound I. Pie. Die. Lie. Die. Fries.